Let's make some chicken Alfredo. Yummy. You're frosting some of that chicken in the microwave. You can do it any other way, but I'm just gonna do it this way because I can. Yeah. Boil the waters. Add some oil. She's pretty much telling me I need some of that chicken, but it's raw, so I'm telling her, no way, Jose. Now she's staring directly into my soul. Don't worry, my Lulu Belle. Mommy's got your back. I'm gonna get you some of that cooked chicken. Num 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 num. This all for you, Louie.
Thanks, Mom. That is delicious.
Anyways, now we're gonna cook up some of that chicken. Salt and pepper the chicken, brown it up for a few minutes and set it aside. Put some garlic and butter in there, stir it around, brown it up a little bit. Put some heavy cream in there. Then put cream cheese and sour cream in there. Cook your noodles, set them aside. Add a bunch more cream and Parmesan. Put your chicken back into it, mix it up, and you're good to go. Yum! Delicious.